Hello, my name is David. Everyone wants to get a job at a FAANG company like Facebook, Apple, Amazon. And part of this is the technical coding interview. And beginners, it could be really hard because the coding interviews are really complicated um, part of the interview. So I would start from the easy questions to explain it to you for the beginners who want to study about it, want to get better at coding interviews, and in general just want to get more knowledge about coding. So we will start with the two-sum problem. And the two-sum problem is pretty simple. You get an array of integers as the input and also a target like here. And in the integer of the inputs, you have numbers, like here 2, 7, 11, 15. And two pairs of these numbers, in this case 2 and 7, need to add up to the number 9. And just to visualize it to you, I draw something here. So here you have the same array. And how we're going to solve this problem is with two loops. With the first one, we call it I loop, and the second one is J. This is just common in programming. So to make this J loop always one ahead of the time than the I loop, we make it J is equal to I plus 1. And then we can look at the first iteration. It is already right. So 7 plus 9, 2 plus 7 is 9. And then here there's another example. Again, we start with the I loop and the J loop. 3 plus 2 is 5, so not 6. So we iterate one more time. Then we have the I loop here, the J loop here, and this is 6. So we have the indices 1 and 2, and for this above we have 0 and 1. So now let's code this. I'm using Vim as my text editor because I'm used to it and I use it daily. So like I said, we need one for loop with I and the nums length. And then we need a second loop inside this loop, which is called J, or also with the nums. But in this case, we switch the J variable with I plus 1, and then we just make a simple if condition, which is nums of the indices I plus nums indices j, that is equal to the target. And if this is the case, then we return an array of I and j. And that is the problem already. So now we can copy this and paste it inside here and submit the code. And there we have it, the first problem. Now this is the first part of a series about data structure and algorithms. I start with the easy questions and get progressively harder. I hope you enjoyed this video and hope to see you the next time.